What's going on, guys? It's Jagger. It is a beautiful day here. I got the drone being packed up, so let's go take some pictures. See ya, buddy. So the first stop is going to be Walmart. I know in the last video there was a lot of wind noise, so I'm going to go see if I can find something to fix that. Alright, so Walmart was a complete bust. Everything that I wanted was going to be for only online ordering, so let's see if Best Buy will be a little bit different. Alright, so I am home and I have all of the product that we are going to need right in front of me. I ended up just cutting out a lot of, the process of going and getting all the material, as it was a little bit more than I expected. But I ended up just going to Target and Joann Fabrics for everything. But I'm not going to make it on this video. I'm just going to go ahead and make a whole separate one on me making it. So if you guys see a DIY video out on this channel, this is why. But it is already midnight, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this video and edit it so I can have it made for you guys in the morning and have it posted. And then I'll pick up the rest of this video in the morning and I'll actually go and get some pictures for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. All right, so we have finally made it to get some pictures, long awaited. And I got my friend Logan with me. So what's up, dude? What's up? All right, so we're gonna get some pictures and I got the drone out as well. So let's cue the cinematic.